Good morning, Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. It's still kind of cool. I didn't light a smoker. This nuke here, or this swarm catch here, this is number 6 I picked up last night. It's very heavy, so I'm kind of worried that they may be already filling the bottom up. Otherwise, I wouldn't be messing with them today. But I need to look, because it feels very heavy. They're probably going to be very mad. Oh, good gracious, yes they are. Boy, they're not happy at all. They weren't happy when I brought them home last night. Okay, maybe I should have lit my smoker. They ain't stinging me, but they ain't happy at all. It don't look like they've been in there long. Not seeing a lot of. Let's see just how aggressive they do get. They're laying comb down like crazy. And about got that drawed out. Working on that. There must just really be a lot of bees in here. Because I'm going to tell you, this is a heavy daggone box. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Drawing comb on the bottom. Got to get these girls out of there. That's just wasted resources right there. That's why I opened it up. Queen's in there laying. I got eggs. So we're gonna cut that right off the bottom, and they're not gonna be real happy about it. But whoa, I almost made that mistake. I held on, I didn't drop it. Goodness gracious. I think they've got a sheet of comb drawn off the bottom of this next frame. Oh yeah, they ain't playing. And to the best of my knowledge, they ain't been in there long. Yes, Lord. Look at that. That's almost a full sheet of wasted wax right there. Where now I just want to try and make sure the queen ain't on it before I cut it off of there. It's coming off. Alright. See, I hate that. That's just wasted resources. That's why I try to get them pulled as soon as I know they've moved in. Because they want to draw wax. They want to draw wax bad. Make sure I don't see the queen up here nowhere. I'm gonna keep on, see if I can find her. Looks like that's the worst of it. A whole sheet of wax wasted. There's the queen. My goodness, she's big. That's a pretty thing right there. Caramel color, big as she can be. She ain't hard to spot. There's so many bees on there. She is. She's a pretty thing. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Alright. So we got the queen found. So we know we ain't gonna kill her now. Clean this mess here up. And they're going to town. See, look at them festoon. They want to draw off the bottom of that. They got one side of that drawed up. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give them a bottom board, a 5-frame bottom board, and I'm gonna put 5 fresh frames in the bottom and let them continue to draw. So yeah, that's a nice swarm. Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. I'm gonna get this cleaned up and them installed with 10 frames, and they'll probably be ready for to go in a 10 frame box next week. Get those swarms pulled before you have a mess like that and wasted resources. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.